Hello everybody. So today I have this Mazda 3 here and I am replacing the headlights. Both of the headlights, you can see one, it actually took some damage, so this does require removing the bumper cover. And what I did is I put a car on jacks for now because I need to remove front tires just to get access to the back section of the fender liner, and then I will have to remove this plastic clip here, screw here, clip here. All these clips have to be removed to release the front top cover of the bumper. And then when we go from the back here, I will be removing this one here and this one here to release the side of the cover, and you can see the 8mm Phillips driver here that would remove the bumper mount from here to release the bumper. There are also screws under here. There might be like the plastic clips. Actually there is 8mm just like this bolt. They're under here. We're going to remove those. So let's get started. Snap out like that. Good. Let's go on the other side. So this here had these clips after you took out the screws. You need to remove those. So they're off. After they're off, just there you go. Okay. There we are. Okay. So the customer has a tape in place. Let's take that off. That was just one plug. And here goes, the bumper is off. There you go. Once the bumper's off, now you have access to the headlight. This little this screw here was removed while I was taking the bumper off. You're gonna need a 10mm here and the plastic clip here. When you come down here, you got another 10mm here holding the headlight, 10 here, and you got another 10 here. Right. Perfect. Right. So, I think there's one right here, yeah. Yes. So, hold this off. Your headlight comes just like that. Now, this here has a headlight disconnect. You can use that to disconnect your headlight. Same goes for this side. Bottom here. There we go. Yeah, so there was tape holding that side of the light. Ooh. Okay. Surprised the fuse was not blown on this side. Maybe it was. I didn't check. So we got both sides of the headlights out. Here we go. So customer brought me their own headlights. They're basically a bit different. I think they're like a better look. I guess he likes that look. I'm gonna end up transferring the bulbs, because they don't come with anything, from the old headlights to these ones. So here's the new headlight. Install is the same way. Just gotta make sure all the bolts line up here, and you bolt on directly to the headlight. Now it depends on how good this headlight's fitment is. If the design is not, if it's not a really cheap headlight, you might have a bumper that fits pretty snug, or you just might have a little gap here. So plug is back in, so there you go. Headlights installed. Here we go. Right side headlight. So the new headlights don't have any of the bulbs in them. I have to transfer the old bulbs from these guys. Don't know what condition they're in, since this side the headlight had water in it. There we go. Now that's a low beam. This right here, that's bubbled, is high beam, which, you know, I'm sure they're not going to use a lot, only unless they're high beaming somebody. And this right here is the turn signal bulb that's going underneath here. There we go. Perfect. And we got the plug ready. Okay, so the trick here is you want to slide the headlight instead of slap it on. And then right here, we slide on headlight. Go ahead and plug it at this point. Okay, so let's put temporary bolts in so headlight doesn't slide on me while I am testing it out. Time to test out the headlight. Right, this side is on too, so we got the parking lamps, low beams, parking lamps. Let's check on turn signals. Since lights check out, I'm just going to go ahead and bolt everything down. So everything is done. The side clamps are installed, the tops are installed. I just got to put the wheels back on. So the headlights were aftermarket. Apparently there was a bolt right behind here. There's no plug for it from the car, and I don't have any plugs from the customer to modify it for, so that is going to leave as is. So right here, all the clips are back on. Bolts are back on. And these headlights don't look bad, unless, you know, if you like the black look compared to factory lights. I do know one thing about these headlights is over time they do intend to collect moisture, because the seals are not here. These seals are not as good as factory ones are, and you will see moisture build up in the headlight. So that's something I did mention to the customer, and they are aware of it. Well, this was a simple installation. Thank you for watching. If you